Hey everyone, okay, so just wash my hair. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the DIPBROW GEL. Now if you're a fan of the DIPBROW GEL, no, that's not it, is it? It's not the gel, it's the you know what I mean. They used to come in the little pots. I've got loads of them. DIPBROW. But this is the gel version, I'm so sorry. So if you're a fan of the original, then you'll probably love this one, but this one comes with just one tiny little thought that you may need to take into consideration when using it. Now, this is much more convenient and easier to apply than the original DIPBROW. The tiniest of issue is that these products tend to thicken a brow. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. If you've got relatively thin brows or want to thicken them, this product will do that for you spot on. But if you've already got very, very thick brows, this product can sometimes make them look overly thick. So you need to bear that in mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply taupe to this eyebrow, and you can see it because taupe is darker than my eyebrow, so you can really get the effect. And then on the other brow, I use the blonde, which is more my shade. So let's make a start. So the easiest way to do this, and let me get a close-up for you here, so you can see the product. It's already on the spoolie, so just knock off any excess. Now it's easier to start right here at the center of the brow rather than going directly in at the inner corner where it will become too dark too quickly. And it's an incredibly easy application, as you can see. So you can already see it's darkened it beautifully. And there's something that's worth considering is that if you have quite fair brows, mine are very fair, sometimes darkening the brow can actually make your eyes look whiter and brighter. So now I'm going to just move on, and I'm going to kind of very lightly just go in at this inner portion. So as you can see, this color is darker, much darker. But whether you like it or not, that's up to you. But at least it stands out, and you can see that it's created that kind of full effect, and you can just go in and smooth out any edges. This is just a rough diagram of it. And now I'm going to go in and really quickly do the blonde on the other eyebrow. So blonde pretty much matches my own eyebrow color pretty well. I've got a really big, huge eyebrow here, eyebrow hair here. It's not impressive, I'll tell you that. So this is a really good match for me. But again, and it's worth noting that even with the slightly lighter color here, it's thickened the brow, as you can see. So you do get a thicker brow effect. Now generally speaking, I think that the darker one looks better, but I'm not happy with the tail because that's just because I wouldn't want to go out personally with a sharp tail like that. I would soften it. But this is for a video. There you go. Truly an excellent product. Easier than the DIPBROW. But however, when dealing with the inner portion here, you may need to go into the original DIPBROW to get that kind of hair-like stroke, or use a pencil. For those of you with very thick brows already, sticking with the pencils or any other of the Anastasia Beverly Hills products may be better for you if you want to avoid this kind of thick eyebrow look. But I really like them. I think they're fabulous. I have a whole tray full of Anastasia Beverly Hills products because they're bloody lovely. And there you go. Information down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.